Hi everyone, Jeremy here from Video Editor Studio. Today I'm excited to introduce our brand new free starter pack for DaVinci Resolve. The original starter pack has already helped over 150,000 editors to speed up their workflow and improve the quality of their video. So with this new edition, we wanted to go above and beyond. This pack gives you over 300 professional assets across 20 different categories, designed to help you enhance your video with engaging motion graphic suitable for any type of project. Everything is fully customizable directly from the edit page. You can adjust the animation style, speed, and timing in just a few clicks, making it incredibly easy to adapt each element to your edit. All assets automatically adjust to any resolution, any frame rates, and even vertical format for short and reels, so you can focus on storytelling without worrying about compatibility. We've also optimized the pack for better performances, updating some of the old assets and adding over 100 completely new elements to the pack, designed to cover most common editing scenarios. Inside the pack, you'll find backgrounds, typographies, social media elements, infographics, effects, and much more, all designed to maintain consistent visual style across your entire edit. Our goal with this starter pack is simple: give you the tools we wish we had when we first started editing in DaVinci Resolve. You can download and use the pack completely for free without any limitation using the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.